Worried about Pinterest tracking your every move? Let's lock down your privacy settings in under 5 minutes. I will walk you through each setting step by step. First, we will access the privacy menu, then adjust the key options that actually make a difference. All right, so let us start by opening Pinterest. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't matter which one. The menus look pretty much the same. Once you are logged in, take a look at the very top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture. And right next to it, there is a tiny little arrow pointing down. Go ahead and click that arrow. A drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, look for the option that says Settings and click on it. This opens up the main control center for your entire account. Now, on the left side of the settings page, or sometimes at the top on mobile, you will see a list of categories. Scroll down or click on the one that says Privacy and Data. This is where all the good stuff lives. So here's the thing. This page might look a little overwhelming at first, but do not worry. I have poked around in here a lot, and once you know what each switch does, it is actually really straightforward. Let us start with the first setting, which controls your search privacy. When you search for something on Pinterest, like a recipe or an outfit idea, Pinterest can use that to suggest your profile to other users who search for the same thing. If you would rather stay a little more private, you can toggle this off. Just flip that switch so it turns gray. This way, your searches are not linked to your public profile. Next up, we want to limit ad personalization. This is the big one everyone asks about. Pinterest uses your activity to show you targeted ads. If you scroll down, you will find an option that says something like, Use your activity to show you more relevant ads. Turn this off. It will not get rid of ads entirely, but the ads you do see will be way less creepy. They will just be generic, like random ads for things you have never searched for. Now here is where the authority anchor really comes into play. I have spent a lot of time digging through these menus, and one of the most important switches people miss is data sharing with third parties. Scroll a little further down and you will see an option that says, Allow your data to be shared with third-party partners. Uncheck this box. Pinterest shares your information with other companies for things like analytics and marketing, and by turning this off, you stop that flow of data cold. All right, now that we have adjusted those main settings, let us double-check everything. Go back to the top of the page and just look over your preferences. Make sure search privacy is grayed out, ad personalization is off, and that third-party data sharing is unchecked. It is easy to accidentally miss one of these, so take the extra 10 seconds to confirm. Once you are happy with your changes, look for the bright red button at the bottom or top of the page that says Save. Click that to apply everything you just did. It might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. And finally, to make sure it all stuck, you can navigate away from the settings page and then come right back. Open the Privacy and Data menu again and confirm that all your changes are still in place. If they are, you are all set. From feeling uneasy about how much Pinterest knows about you to having full control over your data, you have taken a really smart step today. Your privacy settings are now locked down, and you know exactly what is being shared. So go ahead and browse with a little more peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with me.